Current and MoneyLion Instacash both help users manage their money, but they are built for different types of financial needs. By the end, you'll know how Current and MoneyLion Instacash compare for early access to money, financial tools, fees, and which option may fit your situation better. The main difference is that Current is a banking platform with money management features, while MoneyLion Instacash focuses on providing eligible users access to funds before payday. First, compare access to money. Current offers banking features designed to help users manage their everyday finances. Depending on eligibility and available features, users may have access to tools that help them handle their money between paychecks. MoneyLion Instacash reviews your financial information to determine whether you qualify for cash access. The available options depend on your account details and eligibility. The experience can vary between users because both platforms depend on your personal financial information. A connected account, accurate details, and meeting the requirements can make the process smoother. Next, compare the overall features. Current is built around banking services, including features that help users manage spending and receive their money. Users looking for a financial account experience may prefer having these tools in one place. MoneyLion provides Instacash inside a broader financial platform. Users can access cash advance features alongside other MoneyLion financial products. The better choice depends on what you need. If you want a banking-focused app for managing everyday money, Current may be a better match. If you specifically want a cash access feature combined with other financial tools, MoneyLion Instacash may be worth comparing. Fees are another factor to review. Both services can have different costs depending on the features you choose, so check the details shown in the app before confirming any request. The best comparison comes from checking your own available options. Current and MoneyLion can show different features and availability depending on your account information. To summarize, Current and MoneyLion Instacash serve different purposes. Current focuses on banking and money management, while MoneyLion Instacash focuses on early access to funds through the MoneyLion platform. Compare the features, review any fees, and choose the option that matches how you handle your money. Subscribe for more clear comparisons of financial apps and money tools.